Adventures with Beckett and Xena. We're going to hike and camp over at Talus Lake. And if we get into camp early enough, we're going to hike the Chest Trail. Yesterday we did the top of the Giant Trail. We camped at Lightenens Bay. And I'll put a link to that video in here. It was something different I did. Instead of doing all the babbling like I am right now, it's just, there's no talking in it. It's all set to music, just all visuals and music. And we'll see how that turns out. And Talus Lake, the camp at Talus Lake, hopefully she can make it. We got all those boulders to go over. I know she got through it before, but a lot of difficulty. So hopefully no difficulty this time, because that's a nice little spot. It's a rugged little spot tucked up, kind of partway up the Giant, right behind the chest of the Giant. Okay. Yeah, this trail goes between two mountains, the Giant and Thunder Mountain. Actually goes quite up onto Thunder Mountain quite a bit. Now right now we're kind of along the back of Thunder Mountain. And there's the Giant over there. The legs of the Giant. Okay, Xena, let's go. Oh, she's sniffing something interesting there. Hang on, Xena, hang on. Oh, so there's a little change of plans. Talus Lake, there's 3 spots spread over 3 kilometers. And the plan was to go to the last spot, which is right behind the chest. I camped there once before, a beautiful little spot. And you just see the cliffs of the chest right there. And but it was a rough hike. I don't remember it being so uphill here, because we're up high in the mountains now. But there's a nice, beautiful little lake there. I'll show you that in a bit. And yeah, it's a nice little spot. It's very, I don't know, pretty. I don't know. Yeah, I think the only spot I can put my tent is pretty much right there. After that hike, it's been rough on both. I can tell Xena's having a little. She's starting to have a little tough time, and it was just all up, and I'm kind of concerned about that boulder field. I don't know if she's going to get through it. I don't even know if would be up to that. So I figured that when I got to the second campsite, this one, I thought, okay, when we find the second one, if it's, we'll see how it is, and then I'll take a break here, and then I'll decide if I want to stay here or keep going. But if it was decent enough, I'd stay here. But it's decent enough. I like it. Yeah, like I said, it's got a nice little fire pit there. And I'll put the tent over there. And to get water, it's a bit of a ways to get water, but there's a nice little lake here. Yeah, you gotta go down quite a bit. So yeah, so we're like right up. That's part of the chest of the Giant. So I think we're higher than the legs of the Giant. We're higher than the top of the Giant Trail at this point. So no hike up the Chest Trail. Like I said, we'd have to get through the boulder field first till we can get to that. Because the trail that goes up the chest is right near the campsite I was originally going to go at. But I don't mind camping here. It's I haven't camped at this spot yet, so it's always nice camping at new spots. I like that. Okay, well, I'm gonna set up camp here and see what we can do. Xena found her spot. Yeah, this is the whole camp. And I got the tent set up. Yeah, she likes that spot, nice and shady, out of the sun. So I actually feels kind of hot. Okay, that's cool. She keeps barking, but I think she's hearing her echo. And she thinks her echo is another dog. Hear the echo of her bark? That's cool. Well, the one nice thing about camping up in the mountains is a lot less bugs. That's cool. What is it, Zeta? She's still going. So Xena and I are going for a stroll, and yeah, this is just right past camp. I didn't realize the boulder field was so close. But yeah, this is where you got to hike through. And I know before we came from the opposite end, coming this way, and made it through, but a lot of difficulty. But yeah, the Talus Lake camp is not that far from here. Talus Lake Trail, Talus Lake Trail campsite, and we're heading back to Lightenens Bay, and going to camp there for the night and head out tomorrow. Okay, let's go. So it turns out my buddy Zach is camped right near me. They're right over there. Our camp is over there. And I'm out on his raft. He let me take a little spin on his raft. Wow, what a It's a totally different perspective from out here. It's just amazing. So there's Thunder Mountain there. And there, that's the legs of the giant there. So we were camped way up in there last night. The hike, we kind of went up in there, along there, back there. But yeah, it's amazing out here. Wow. Xena's been whimpering. She's been yelping like, where's Daddy going? This is amazing. Well, I don't know. I'm quite relaxed right now. I don't know if I want to go back. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah, venture out a little bit further and then head back. Yeah, I should head back now because I can hear Xena. She's like yelping. Like, what is? I can hear her from here. Just spectacular. Xena. Alright, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every time I drop a new video. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye, guys.